Evening everyone, I am Yash, and first of all I want to thank our respected sir for giving me this opportunity to tell a story. I want to tell a story about two plants. Once there lived a child in a town. He came to meet his grandfather in a village in summer vacation. He was very loved by his grandfather, and he also loved him very much. He used to play with him every time when they have free time in the village. And one day he asked his grandfather that I want to be successful in future, so can you tell me some ways to how to be successful? So his grandfather replied him, yes, I know, and nodded his head and said, first come with me. So they went to nearby nursery and bought two plants and came back to home. They plant one plant in a pot inside the house and one outside the house. And then he asked his grandchild, what do you think? Which plant will grow better? So his grandchild think a little bit and replied to him that the plant inside the house will grow better because it does not have to face the outside problem like strong sunlight, storms, and animal attacks. So his grandfather smiled and said, let's see in future. And then the kid left the village and went to his home in town. After 4 years, he came back to the village, and he said to his grandfather that last time I asked about asked you how to be successful, but you didn't tell me. You have to tell it now. So his grandfather replied to him that first we will look at the plants that we bought 4 years ago. So they first look at the plant that they planted in a pot inside the house. The plant grow big, and then they look at the outside plant. The plant is converted into tree, a large tree which branches are very widespread around the house. So his grandchild asked his grandfather, how is this possible? The plant inside the house is safe from every danger possible, and the outside plant was surrounded by many difficulties and challenges. So his grandfather replied that challenges are very important in everyone's life, and animals and plants also. The plants faced many harsh situations like strong winds, strong sunlight, and rain also. That helped the tree to grow its branches, roots strong, and the inside plant is very weak and not so big because it does not have challenges, and it stayed in a comfort zone entire his 4 year span. So he gave him the answer that everyone should get out of the comfort zone and live the life with challenges, because challenges makes a person stronger, and they learn through the challenges and became men. Thank